Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, your baby mama, your one and only girl, Faith Dominic, in the building. Hey, oh my god. So today's video we're gonna create this beautiful look lab. I don't want to smile too much because I mean business today. Okay, so let us not just talk too much. Before going, please make sure you subscribe, comment and like. Let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? I will be so inspired to see your comment. I'll be so happy to see your comments, okay? So let's do this look. I'm so sorry I did talk too much in this video. I'm not just feeling so fine. That's why I'm so sorry. So sorry. Please bear with me, okay? Okay guys, so in today's video I have the look in mind that I want to create. Okay, so I've cleansed my face. I want to moisturize my face using this Marigold moisturizer to moisturize my face. So I'm using this sweat block from Zara, okay, but I'm going to shake it together. Okay, I don't know if it's showing in shade 255 mocha. Okay, just to pump on my hands. So I'm using this 3 concealer from Nova Beauty. Okay, I'm not just receiving some much comments on my video, so I don't really know what you guys like. I don't really know what you guys don't like. As in, I'm just doing this video just on my own basic. I don't really know if you always enjoy my conversation or if I thought you guys really enjoying the chit-chat. I don't just know. Just want to know. I'll be happy if you just say something. As in, learn from me, you know. gonna start off using these latches from latches. Oh my god, they are my favorite. Like, I don't use another latches this day, just this latches I'm using. Okay, the latches is on now. I'm gonna pull that dot. So I'm gonna use this two lippies, okay? I'm mixing this a bit with my leftover foundation. Okay, so you know, I don't want it to be too dark, understand, but I want it to be brown. Okay, but light brown, not a darker one. So I'm using this shade all over my face. Guys, are you seeing my eyeshadow? Like, seriously, I'm so crazy about this eye look. I don't know, I love it. I've never created a look like this for myself before, but I love this. I swear down, I love this. So I'm gonna use a brush for my eyeshadow palette. Let's go to my favorite palette for the brush. If I didn't use it, that means this makeup is incomplete. See it? I'm gonna set my face using this to setting spray. I'm gonna use the one I have shimmer in it. I'm gonna close my eyes first. Then I'm using the other one. Since my face is wet, I'm going to my highlighter from my favorite palette. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm so sorry I did talk too much in this video. I'm not just feeling so fine, that's why. I'm so sorry, so sorry. Please bear with me, okay? And I hope you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the process of creating it. I hope I give you what you want, or you learn 1 or 2 tips from this video. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. before going, please make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. Let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? I will be so inspired to see your comment. I'll be so happy to see your comments, okay? So let's do this, okay?